Are you curious about the path to healthy living, one that's paved with extraordinary foods brimming with essential nutrients and health benefits? Healthy Living with Nutrient-Rich Superfoods is your guide to unlocking the potential of nature's nutritional powerhouses and embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes well-being and vitality. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll journey into the world of superfoods, unveiling the secrets of how they can enhance your health and elevate your overall quality of life. 1. The superfood enigma. In the opening paragraph, introduce the enigma of superfoods, a term often associated with extraordinary health benefits. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide holds the key to unlocking the secrets of superfoods for a healthier, more vibrant life. 2. Understanding superfoods. Begin by defining what superfoods are and why they matter. Describe how they are nutrient-dense, packing a high concentration of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other bioactive compounds. 3. The nutrient spectrum. Delve into the importance of the nutrient spectrum provided by superfoods. Explain how they offer a wide array of essential nutrients that support various aspects of your health, from immune function to skin radiance. 4. Antioxidant power. Discuss the significance of antioxidants in superfoods. Highlight their role in protecting your body from oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic diseases and premature aging. 5. Heart-healthy choices. Explore how superfoods can benefit heart health. Share examples of foods like salmon, chia seeds, and berries that contain heart-protective nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and flavonoids. 6. Immune system support. Highlight the potential benefits of superfoods for your immune system. Discuss how they can boost your body's defenses through their vitamins, minerals, and immune-strengthening compounds. 7. Incorporating superfoods. Share practical tips for incorporating superfoods into your daily diet. Offer examples of delicious and easy-to-make recipes that feature nutrient-rich ingredients like kale, quinoa, and acai berries. 8. The long-term wellness journey. Conclude with the idea that embracing the power of superfoods isn't just a fleeting trend, it's a lifelong commitment to a healthier, more vibrant life. Encourage readers to view superfoods as a long-lasting approach to overall well-being. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the significance of superfoods for healthy living but will also be motivated to incorporate these nutritional powerhouses into their daily diets, reaping the benefits of enhanced health, vitality, and longevity. Healthy Living with Nutrient-Rich Superfoods is a journey into a world of nutritional wisdom, where every meal becomes an opportunity to nourish your body, support your health, and enjoy the remarkable flavors and benefits of these exceptional foods. So, let's embark on this superfood journey and discover the extraordinary benefits it offers for your well-being and quality of life. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.